This is a happy day. As family engagers in the district, we love when we see this auditorium full and overflowing with our children and our parents. Today we're here for the Parent Empowerment Conference for all of our Title I schools in DeKalb County. Our goal today is to ensure that all of our parents leave here more excited about their child's education. The research shows that when you have parents that are engaged in their children's education, those children do so much better in school because they feel it, they know it, they absolutely are empowered to do better in schools. So our goal as parent facilitators and parent engagers in this district is to ensure that we empower our parents, because for our communities to be better and for our students to be better, it is vital that our parents are engaged in their educational experience.
It is Saturday. Oh my goodness, it's Saturday, and we have a full auditorium and foyer and boardroom. We have students, we have educators, we have, most importantly, parents, and I'm so proud of the Family and Engagement Department and Title I for coming together, because this is an awesome, awesome conference. So one advantage to coming to events like this is you get an opportunity to see administrators in the district, you get an opportunity to see vendors, you get an opportunity to ask questions to those individuals that you may need to speak with. So I was able to talk to a parent today, and she had some questions about homework. And so I guided her through what her next step should be. And that's the power of us all coming together, really to do what's best for our children.
In general, I like the whole overall, I learned a lot, so I enjoy everything. And I like that I have a source for some stuff, like the things that they're giving away at workshop. I really enjoy it. And I've been saying I miss out a lot before this. This is my first one, so next time I make sure I don't miss any. So I enjoy it.
Based upon the number of students that are here today, Scholastic sponsored books that ranged from Lexile levels from 100 all the way up to 1200. So each kid is allowed to take 3 books home. We also sponsored the opportunity for them to make bins, so they're imparted with the idea is embedded for them to have a safe space at home for them to keep their books, so they have their own home libraries. We also sponsored Byron Garrett, who did 2 workshops with parents today, answering questions about how to become a little more effective with supporting kids and bridging that school-to-home connection.
But the reality is this: we're in a position in this day and age to help our young people realize that they can achieve their potential, they can exceed every single expectation, that they will rise or fall to the expectation you set for them. Outside of providing the basic needs of security and household maintenance and food and all that good stuff, your biggest responsibility is to help them build a vision for themselves. What's the life that they can live?
Today they had mentorships for children, things for single parents, which I myself am a single mom. They had different resources for math, reading, and science to help your children gain better grades, and also they had prizes.
3, 5, 8, 7, 2, 7, 5.